Good morning, TCG. I want to go over a few concepts that have really appealed to me lately and have been helping my trading, and also a few swing trade ideas. I want to go over the top-down approach. Looking at the top-down approach to trading, look at the overall global economy, the local economy, the sector, the industry, and then the specific business before you enter a trade. Trading something bullish, for example, Amazon, if XLK is not in favor at the time that it's not trending upwards, then why be a bull? Why fight it? If XLF is in favor and it is a bull, then trade it bullish. Fighting these trends has been very counterproductive for me, and it's this graph kind of shows it all for me. So what we've been trying to do in the last few days, I've been working with Jason and Jules, finding some swings for y'all. But I'm also looking at the sectors that are in favor if we're trying to find a bullish swing, and once again using this top-down approach. So maybe this would help you as much as it has helped me. Shout out to Sam for showing me this relative rotation graph. I really like this graph. It shows you, let me blow it up a little bit. It shows you what sectors are leading, weakening, lagging, and improving. For example, XLV and XLU, which we know utilities, that's a safety trade. XLRE, real estate, and XRT, which I covered last week as the sector that's in favor. Those are the leading sectors. Weakening, which we have seen that, XLK, XLY, and XLE, we see that oil is bottoming, and technology has been really dropping precipitously the last few days. What's lagging and what's improving. So this is a relative rotation graph, RRG, within stock charts. I find it very helpful. So I used this leading quadrant over here to try to find some setups for swings. We have perused over 100 charts trying to find the best swings to bring to you. And how I used the screener, how I found the charts was using partially the FinViz stock screener. So I posted this in a swing trade channel, the CANSLIM screener. So CANSLIM, let me just go over the definition of CANSLIM. CANSLIM is referred to as CANSLIM, is a system for selecting stocks created by IBD founder William O'Neill, I believe in 1952. Each letter in the acronym stands for a key factor. We're looking for strong companies. And I know we're a technical chat room, but if we're swinging, we definitely want to be in absolutely the best companies so we don't wake up to dilution or bad surprises. They have annual earning increases over the last 5 years, new products, management, a relatively scarce supply. L is that we're choosing leading over laggard stocks. So if you're interested, these CANSLIM, this acronym is pretty interesting, and it really narrows down the stocks to that are really strong. So I created the CANSLIM screen within FinViz to help narrow down what are some of the most fundamentally strong companies we're looking for, and then you can choose by sector. As you can see, it doesn't have all the sectors. It doesn't have retail broken down specifically, but I really like this screen, and it helps you narrow down to the companies that you should be looking at that are strong fundamentally for longer term swings. All right, so we have 3 charts for you that were posted in Swing Trade. I'm going to go over IRBT, iRobot. I don't know if your mother is as addicted to her iRobot as mine is, but she calls it her little buddy. She loves it. So I know that as a mother and a mother of 5, I know that these iRobots are very popular, and it shows in their chart. So it has a wedge. This is on the daily, and we have our prerequisite touches. I believe I drew this on the weekly, actually. It's a weekly wedge. But I changed to daily so you could see the support levels. So we have support at 84.55 and 76.09. We have resistance at 89.48 and then up at 94.85. I really love this trade. RSI is not extended on the daily. MACD bull cross, TCG bull cross, and we have increasing bull volume. So IRBT, go check the chart out in Swing Trade. Second, we have TNDM. When Dan sees these type of charts, he will look back here, and this is not a sign of a healthy company. God knows what was happening over here. but I could tell you fundamentally, I'm really impressed with this company, and they've really turned things around. This is the diabetic company that uses the technology for glucose monitoring, where you don't have to do the finger prick. So they've really done some great things, and it's really helping a lot of friends that I know that are diabetic. So fundamentally, I'm pretty bullish on this company. So we have support at $31.97, $29.50. We have resistance at $34.20, and then up at $44. Then we have a gap up here at $53.50. So I'm not marking this as resistance. I'm just showing you that there is a huge gap up there. So TNDM, interesting company doing great things, and a very bullish chart. And finally, we have TAN. TAN has been falling. It lost support yesterday. It does have a reversal candle on the daily. We'll look for a green candle to confirm this reversal candle. We have bullish divergence on the daily as well. So we have support at 2070 and then down at 1941. We have resistance at 2290 and 2350. We recommend that we wait for a trend change before entering this trade. So we need a higher high on the hourly. As you can see here, we have a higher high. We're hoping this is the higher low, but we don't trade on hope. So we're waiting for that second higher high on the hourly to confirm, and then we recommend an entry there. So I hope you have a great day. Maybe my brain's not working that great because it's early in the morning, but thank y'all for joining me, and I'll see you in the room.